everybody. It is a hot Saturday, but I'm telling you, oh my gosh, I just see something around. Look at this. There's a critter in that. Critter. Unbelievable. They're all over the place. Listen, I'm at Atlantic Sharks Market. I just want to tell you something. First, happy Saturday. Second, I've got a bird up here y'all might want to take a look at. It's only for covered outdoor, and if you want it indoor, that's fine too. Made to put in the pot, it's really cool. And then you can just put like some rocks at the bottom or something. But here it is. Forgive me the cardboard. Yeah, but this is crazy. Y'all come up here and see. How you doing?